In this episode, I'll identify the essential, standards-based skills that we're to teach within argumentative writing units. Throughout our daily lives, we encounter differing viewpoints in a variety of situations. We learn what others think based on social media posts and online blogs. We learn of people's beliefs by reading bumper stickers and editorial cartoons. And while we're all entitled to our own opinions, if we want to persuade someone to agree with us, to convince them that our position is the strongest, then our opinion requires support in the form of reasons and evidence. This combination of opinion plus support is evident within a variety of genres. Commercials, advertisements, and political propaganda each make a claim and support it in order to convince others to buy or do something. A recommendation is a personal endorsement or testimonial based on reasons given by the writer about his own experience. Persuasive letters and speeches have a direct audience and thus provide very targeted reasons, while persuasive essays, which reach a broader audience, are more formal in tone and more universal in reasoning. Short, constructed responses are a popular genre included within many state reading assessments. These require the student to draw a conclusion or make an inference and support it with evidence from the text.